All right, today we're going to work on our last slide, and so that is going to be slide 3. And for this slide, we are going to learn how to use two new tools, the shape tool and the line tool. And what we are using these for are to simply create a self-portrait of ourselves. So I'm going to come here to the shapes, and if I want to draw my head, I am going to do that by choosing the circle. Then you see I have this plus sign. I'm going to have to use my 2 fingers on my trackpad to be able to draw my head. Now, right now my head is gray, and that would not be the color that I want. Since I have my circle selected by having the blue box around it, I now have my paint bucket, and I can choose a color that is more like my skin color. So now it changed the circle like that. So you will continue to work on drawing in the rest of your face, your hair, ears. So I need it all. I need my eyes, my nose, my mouth, hair, ears, and then of course the rest of my body. That's why I left all of this room here. Now, since we're also learning about the line tool, here is how I would use the line tool in order to draw my mouth. So I see the line tool here, but right beside it, I see this arrow. So I'm going to click that arrow to get some more line options. So this will just give me a regular straight line. This curved one might work, but my favorite option from the line tool is the scribble, because that allows me to just free draw what I want. So I've chosen the scribble, and now I'm just going to draw on my smile. So that's what we have. So refresher, we have our shapes, we have our line tool, which we want to click that arrow in order to have all my options. And then if I want to be able to change the color as I draw my body, I have to have the box around it in order to have my paint bucket, which changes my color. So now we're ready to go and get our previous Google Slides open. So if we remember how to do that, we click the plus at the top. And then we're going to come to the waffles, and then we're going to choose Google Drive. Then in your Google Drive, you should see, hopefully, here at the top, your Google Slides. If you're not sure where to find it, or if you have more than one and you're not sure which one to open, please have an adult help you.